In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix or resolve common Windows Store app problems on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select where it says additional troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, there should be a section that says Windows Store apps. Troubleshoot problems may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly. Go ahead and select that and then run the troubleshooter here and then give that a moment. And then in my case, it just wants me to sign into a Microsoft account, but I'm just going to skip over that. And then it should proceed with the diagnostic service here. And it should hopefully be able to fix the problem automatically in your case. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.